Hello, Cybernauts. Welcome back to our digital fortress. If you're new here, we're all about protecting your digital footprint, breaking down virtual walls, and saving you a buck or two while we're at it. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the mysterious waters of NordVPN. We're going to dissect this beast from head to tail, and if you stick around till the end, I've got a juicy coupon code that's hotter than a freshly baked data breach. First off, let's talk about security. NordVPN is like the Fort Knox of the internet. It doesn't just protect your data, it locks it up tighter than your diary from high school. And with its no logs policy, they don't care about your late-night online shopping sprees any more than you want them to. Next, let's tackle Geo Restrictions. Ever got that annoying, "This content is not available in your region" pop-up? With NordVPN, those days are as gone as dial-up internet. Whether it's Netflix in Japan or BBC iPlayer in the UK, NordVPN has got your back. NordVPN is like your personal digital James Bond, minus the martinis. It allows you to surf the net incognito, and it works so well you'll start to wonder if you even exist. But let's get real for a second. A VPN service is only as good as its speed. So what about NordVPN? It's the Usain Bolt of VPNs. So you can stream, game, and download faster than you can say, "Did I leave my oven on?" All right, it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. Here's a coupon code that will get you a nice discount on NordVPN. When you visit the NordVPN website, you'll see their standard offer. NordVPN offers various plans to suit your budget, and they all come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. But by using the link in our description or in our pinned comment, you'll unlock an exclusive deal, giving you a 65% off a 2-year plan plus 4 extra months on top of the discounted offer. Remember, in the world of the internet, it's better to be safe than sorry. With NordVPN, you're not just safe, you're practically invisible. So, go out there, conquer the digital world, and leave no trace. Stay safe, Cybernauts. Until next time.